JasperVault allows you to see all of your current positions that you're holding. At the top of the screen, you can see that you can organize them by all, call, or put options. Each line tells us the strike price, the size, the premium we paid, the gross profit, and the return on investment. And you can see that it also tells you when the option will settle. In this case, both of them are in about 1 hour and 40 minutes, and you cannot sell or interact with this until the time is up. Now if we go to history, you can see all of the previous transactions that you've done. In each line, you can see the gross profit, how long the option was, the net profit, the premium, the return on investment, the cryptocurrency you purchased, option type, the size, strike price, and settlement price. A benefit of having European style options is that even if the price goes the opposite direction of the way you predicted, it's okay as long as it hasn't reached the execution time yet. So let's say I got it at 64,000, I thought it would go up, but it goes down to 63,000. If it hasn't reached the time yet, it's fine. And then maybe by the time it does reach the time, it'll go up to 65,000. Okay, so that's how the positions in JasperVault work.